Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this Zobo drink. It is tasty, fruity, healthy and also natural. Please stay tuned. To make this, you need dry Zobo leaves, sugar or sweetener, pineapple, ginger and also the back skin of pineapple. Wash the Zobo leaves because of dust. Then Zobo is very healthy to the body. It has a lot of nutrients to give to the body. Wash them properly. Then the water has changed, but it doesn't matter. Then put your Zobo in a pot filled with water. I'm using 3 liters of water here. Put the Zobo inside. Then also add the back skin of your pineapple. And peel your ginger too and add. Stir a little bit, then cover and bring to a boil. Here you see it is boiling. You cover to allow it to boil. Cut your pineapple into small pieces for easy blending. Remember, pineapple is also very healthy. Gives lots of vitamins to the body, helps in digestive system, helps up in improving the immune system of the body. It has a lot of things to offer to the body. And also our Zobo is boiling and I'll be checking it to know if it's okay. How to know your Zobo is okay is that the leaves become very soft and also they become pale, showing that every Zobo nutrient has also already gone out of it. Now put it aside and allow it to cool down. Allow it to cool down now. Here I'll be taking out the Zobo leaves, taking out also the pineapple and the ginger. You can add water to this Zobo. You still extract some Zobo juice from it too. It's still not a waste. Get a big bowl and also another sieve and sieve out the Zobo to ensure that you don't have any Zobo leaf left. Be careful of the rest part. This is what we now have, and when you see it is very colorful and looks good. Pour in your blended pineapple juice. This will make our Zobo drink very fruity. It will have this pineapple taste and it tastes so wonderful. I decided to filter it. You can pour it direct without filtering it. It will still give you the result, but because I want to have one kind of consistency in my Zobo, I don't want any fiber or anything in it, I decided to filter it. You can use flavor in place of fresh fruit, but because I want to have it fresh and natural, I'll be using fresh pineapple. Pour in your sugar or sweetener. Our bowl is too small, so I'll be pouring this in a big container, pouring it back in a big container so that I can stir it perfectly. This is what I have now. I'll be stirring the sugar, stirring it well while it's getting cool. Now stir properly to allow the sugar dissolve well. When it is cool enough, pour in a jar and refrigerate. You can enjoy this too with ice cubes or ice block. Please subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button. Share this video. Share to your friends, relatives, your social media handles. I'll be so grateful. God bless you for watching. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you so much. Bye.